It's not difficult to install. The WickRight system is actually very straightforward. It's just a matter of paying attention to detail. It does take some work to put it in, but it's not a difficult installation. We met with WickRight personnel and reviewed all the information. They showed us the materials, provided us with written instructions, and then Steve Way actually came on site and worked with us. I'm very comfortable with the installation process on my own. If it's a straightforward installation, I feel like I've been well trained. The customer service personnel at WickRight are great. They're always following up with you. They're always available. So what I've found in doing installing the WickRight system is there's typically some other damages that need repairs. Sometimes you have rotted trusses from being wet and soaked for a number of years. We found Bob Kelly to be a very helpful and capable consultant in those instances where he makes his time available to get onto the project site and give his expertise and help with creative solutions.